أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي ربنا زدنا علما آمين يا رب العالمين. Welcome to lesson number 16 of a study of advanced Nahu and structures. Alhamdulillah, we have been doing Afal and Naqisa. Today, inshallah, we are going to continue with Adha working as Fa'il and like we know that in this like few lessons, as we have started advanced knowledge structures, we are on lesson number 16 and still we are on Kana wa Akhwatuha. We know that Kana wa Akhwatuha are a very important group of verbs that uh, when they enter into Jumla Ismiya, they are going to make changes in its structure, like keeping the Mubtada, its isim, and still marfu, like changing the khabar into the khabar of khabar of the verb, but it's still mansoob. So these verbs do more than just change the grammar. They add time, they add motion, and subtle meanings to the sentences. So we through these small lectures, you are getting a clear understanding of what afal and nakasa are, like how each verb like kana, asbaha, zalla, adha, they affect the sentences, and how they are going to change whole of the structure and the meaning. So why we are learning one verb at a time, like we can um, like learn all of this Afar in few of the lectures, like one or two, but why one verb at a time? So the reason we are we are learning and these all these kana akhwatuha in its own lecture, is just to help the students who have just begun their journey of the Arabic language to focus and not feel overwhelmed. Like many students get confused when these verbs are taught all at once. So we'll take it slowly, one by one, so you truly understand, absorb, and apply each one properly. So this is it, inshallah. So we every time we are going to watch them, we are going to learn them. Uh, we are going to pause and repeat and practice. So in this way, we will see that how these verbs add beauty and depth to the Arabic language, inshallah ta'ala. So let's continue with now Adha, inshallah. We are going to continue with Adha, and we'll see that how it is working as Failik, inshallah. So we learn that this is the table that all of the Kana Wakhwatuha we have been learning so far. And the red ones, like I have highlighted, I have changed the colors. Red ones, mostly they are not used in the Quran in this meaning or context. And these ones, the blue ones, are very important. Inshallah, we are going to look into them as well. And these one are the mostly used in the Quran. So we are giving more time to these kana, laysa, asbaha, zalla, bata, and mafatiya used once in the Quran. So we are giving more time to these all of these kana wa akhwatuha. So inshallah, we'll see that we learn about adha, that again it is like he become or he became, it became like something became or happened in the afternoon because it is the duha time. So it describes its isim as like all other kana wa akhwatuha with its khabar at the time of the duha. This is the main thing about Adha, that it just tells us that something had happened at the time of Duha. And for that, we did the example of Adha, Talibu Mujtahidan. Again, this is a ism of Adha. Now we are familiar with that because it's marfu. Mujtahidan, it's our khabar because it is in the state of nasab. So the student became hardworking, but Adha, what is this showing us? That he became hardworking at the time of Duha. So this is what Kana Akhwatuha does. Like again, just by looking at them, we know that there's something became or happened at that particular time. So inshallah, we'll see that how it works as Freile Tam. We learned that how it worked as فعل ناقص now as tam, just the complete verb, no need for the khabar. This is the main thing, that when it works as a فعل tam, we must know that there is no need for the khabar. It just means that something like entered the time of duha. Like here, you can see the example, Adha ar-rajulu. So the man reached the time of Doha. So you don't need a khabar here. The verb is complete on its own. So this is just simple. No need of the khabar here. This verb adha is just working as fail tam, because we do not see any khabar here. And this is then will be our file, because now it's our fail tam. So it will work just like the regular verbs we have been learning. So this will be our file. Ar-rajulu will be our file. So the man reached the time of Doha. So there is another example. You can see Adha al-Musafiru fit tariqi. Here again, the traveler reached Doha time while on the road. So this is a long sentence, but again, you can see the traveler reached. So it is again making the sentence complete. This is our jar majrur fragment, mutalik to, this is mutalik bil fi'l, and Adha al-Musafir will be fail file, and this is a file. A musafir will be a file. So think of adha like aspaha or kana, and sometimes it describes a change in the state, and sometimes it just tells you when something happened. So this is now here working as you can see fail tam, and now the ism that is in the state of marfu will be the file here when it is working as fail tam. So here we see that Adha is working as Failatam. So just like all the other Kana wa akhwatuha, this Adha, this verb is related to the time of Duha. It can work as Failatam and it can work as Failinakis. Just the difference is that it is telling about the time something happened or entered or became or entered in the time at the time of Duha. So the verb duha is again related to the time of duha, mid morning, and in grammar it works just like kana and its sisters. So this is it for today, inshallah. I'll see you with more kana wa akhwatuha. Barakallahu li wa lakum. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.